Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen basically. Now press and hold on the home screen to open the watch face menu, like this. And once you open the menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you like to use on your watch, and then simply tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. You can also edit or customize the watch faces. To do it, open the watch face menu again, and under the watch face you will see the edit icon, some of them at least, as you can see. Once you see the edit icon, you can tap on it. And here, for example, we can change the background. So if you swipe, I believe, up or down? No? This is weird. You should be able to change the background by swiping on the screen, but it's not working. Oh, you tap on the screen, my bad. So you don't swipe, you tap on the screen. Okay. And you can change basically the color of the background, as you can see. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to apply the changes, like this. Okay. You can also change the watch face via the phone app. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the Zep application on that phone. So let's bring the phone here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen on that phone. Now let's open the Zep application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, and here select the Amazfit GTS 3 from the list of devices. On this page, you should see the watch faces option. Select it, and here you should see two categories at the top: watch faces and mine. Tap on mine. This will open the list of watch faces on your watch, installed on your watch, and here you can scroll left and right. Find the watch face you like to apply on your watch, tap on it, and once you select it, it should be applied. So if you tap on it, it should be applied a couple seconds after you select it, like this. And once you're done, you can close the application. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.